There's only two things to remember about bathroom design. And it's very, very simple. And here we go. This is so simple, we only need one slide besides the title slide to show you. Two things to remember about bathrooms. There must be at least 21 inches of clearance in front of all fixtures. And there must be at least 15 inches from the center of a toilet to any structure or fixture on either side. That's it. All right, this video is going to be very short and sweet. This is bathroom design. There's 10 different ways you can go with bathroom designs, and much can be said the same for kitchens. But in the bathroom, there are some things that you want to take into consideration. One is, your tub. You need to have enough space for your tub. Tubs are typically 5 foot long from head to toe, typically. To know for sure, just look on a Lowe's or a Home Depot website and get the size of a tub that you would like to go into your house. Now, what I'm using is a garden tub. It is a little over 5 feet long, and it's 3 feet wide. And then I'm building a platform for that tub to sit down into. So the tub here actually sits down into a cabinet type platform. That's what this line here designates, and that platform extends all back in here. Okay, and one thing to keep in mind with your tub is you have to have 21 inches in front of the tub. So I'm good, even though I have a toilet right here, I'm still good because I have so much space that is within 21 inches. If I were to measure that, you would see here that I'm at 21, some right in there somewhere. Plenty of space. The same goes for the toilet and the sinks. 21 inches of clearance in front of the toilet, 21 inches of clearance in front of the sinks, the sink cabinets or vanities or whatever you have. The door swing opens without anything interfering with it, or without that door swing interfering with anything else. The toilet, this is something that you'll want to remember also. The toilet is placed, it has to have 15 inches, at least 15 inches from any structure to the center of the toilet. Okay, we're right here. So basically I have 15 inches from here, actually from here, okay, where my tub starts, down to right here, I have 15 inches. Okay, and the same on this side where I started my cabinets. I started my cabinets 15 inches from the center of the toilet. So 21 inches in front of everything, 21 inches of clearance, 15 inches from the center of the toilet to any structure. A lot of times that's a wall. And as far as the size of my toilet, I just went on Home Depot, get the average size of a toilet. I did this one at 27 inches. And then, of course, my vanities, I did those about 13 inches wide by 10 inches from front to back. And I placed them toward the back of the counter. And, of course, this vanity counter is it's like a kitchen cabinet. I built it just like a kitchen cabinet. However, it's only 18 inches from the wall. There really is no set distance for bathroom vanity, but of course you want to give the occupant enough room to work, enough room probably to put sinks in the cabinet and to store some things. So I used just an 18 inch is a very common bathroom vanity size, and that's 18 inches from the wall to the front of the vanity cabinet. And then this right over here, you see I've got hidden lines just because this is going to be a wall length cabinet. It's going to be a cabinet that goes all the way from the ceiling to the floor, and that's where linens and things like that are going to go. And there is a cabinet also right over the toilet. This is above the toilet. It's a wall cabinet that will hold things, maybe some towels, extra toilet paper or what have you. Also, window. Bathrooms must have one of two things. They must have either a window or an exhaust fan. And one of those two have to be present, and I just chose to put a window in my bathroom instead of an exhaust fan. A lot of bathrooms have both, which is a good idea as well, especially when it comes to controlling moisture in a bathroom. Well, that is it. This house is pretty much done as far as its basic design, and your house is probably pretty much done as well. After this, we go into some very, very detailed components. Or actually first, I forgot, but we do have to place some light fixtures and fans and things like that in the house. And that's pretty fun because you get to draw fans and things like that. So after that, then we're pretty much done. I'll have to look at my list and see what all we have to go through. But for beginning level, this is the end of what you would have to do. After this, we go to the more advanced components where we draw more details and things of that nature. So good luck and happy house designing.